Hello class, today I'm going to teach you how to solve multi-step equations. So here we have a two-step equation. Remember with the equation, our goal is to get the variable by itself. So I want to get x isolated. So I'm going to split the equation at the equal sign. Remember, an equation is like a balance. I'm going to isolate the variable. So this time you're doing PEMDAS backwards. Okay, so it's addition or subtraction first. So the opposite of plus 15 is minus 15. What you do on one side, you must do to the other. So positive 15, negative 15 cancel out. I'm left with 3x on the left side, the equal sign, and then 24 minus 15 is 9. So now the opposite of multiplying is dividing by 3. Dividing by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives me 1x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x equals 3. Remember, we can do the check. Let's substitute in. So 3 times 3 plus 15, does that equal 24? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Does 9 plus 15 equal 24? Yes, it does. Check. So my answer is correct. Okay, so here's a multi-step equation. So I'm going to split the equation at the equal sign. I see that I have like terms. I have 8x minus 6x that I can combine first. So 8x minus 6x is 2x. So I'm just going to rewrite the equation. 2x minus 25 equals negative 35. Now you have a two-step equation just like we did before. So we need to isolate the variable. Opposite of minus 25 is plus 25. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So our goal is to get x by itself. Negative 25 and positive 25 cancel out. So I'm left with 2x on the left side equals negative 35 plus 25. Signs are different. Find the difference. So that's negative 10. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we're going to divide by 2, divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1x. So I'm just left with x. And negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And then we can substitute in. So 2, I'll just substitute in this step here. 2 times negative 5 minus 25, does that equal negative 35? Well, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 minus 25, yes, that equals negative 35. So it checks out. Okay, now we are going to need to use the distributive property first. So we need to distribute everything inside of the parentheses. It's 2 times 1, and then 2 times 5, negative 5. So 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to clear the parentheses. Minus 2 times 5x is 10x plus 4 equals negative 8. So we just cleared the parentheses. Do we have like terms that we can combine? I see my constants. I see 2 plus 4. So I'm just going to bring down the negative 10x. 2 plus 4 is 6 equals negative 8. I want to get the variable by itself. So now I have a two-step equation. Opposite of plus 6 is minus 6. So 6 minus 6 cancels out to 0. So now I'm left with negative 10x equals negative 8 minus 6. Signs are the same, so we're going to add them. So negative 14. And I'm going to divide by negative 10. Negative 10 divided by negative 10 gives me 1x. Over here, I'm running out of room. What you do on one side, you do to the other. So negative 14 divided by negative 10 is positive 7/5. We simplify it. Or we can say it's 1 2/5. Great job. Okay, so here's some other ones that you can try to see if you get the correct answer. So distribute. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times 2 is -6. Plus 5x equals -9. Combine your like terms. I see -3x plus 5x. -3 plus 5 is 2x. Minus 6 equals -9. So now the opposite of -6 is +6. What you do on one side, you do to the other. That's why I like to draw that line. So I'm left with 2x equals, what's -9 plus 6 is -3. And we're going to divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is just x. And you could leave it -3 over 2. Or you can say it's -1 1/2. Great job. Okay, pause the video and try number 7. So number 7, 5 plus 1.5 times 2d is 3d. And then 1.5 times -1 is -1.5 equals 0.5. Are there any like terms? Yes, I'm going to bring down the 3d. I see 5 minus 1.5. So 5 minus 1.5 is 3.5, positive 3.5. Equals 0.5. Now I have a simple two-step equation. So we're going to subtract 3.5, subtract 3.5. So remember 3.5, we're subtracting minus 1/2 is 3. So that would be -3s or more negatives. This cancels out, so 3d equals -3, divided by 3, divided by 3. -3 divided by 3 is -1. Great job. Okay, let's look at the word problem. Find the number of X miles you need to run on Friday so that the mean number of miles run per day is 1.5. So I have the days of the week, Monday through Friday. So 2 plus 0 plus 1.5 plus 0 plus X. We're finding the mean, so we need to divide by how many days there are. So there are 5 days in the week. And you want to have your average be 1.5 miles per day. So we're trying to see what we need to run on Friday to have the mean number of miles run per day is 1.5. So let's look at the numerator. 2 plus 1.5 plus x. Okay, so we're just going to combine our like terms. 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5 plus some number divided by 5 equals 1.5. So because the numerator I have in parentheses, we're going to save that for last. So we're going to multiply by 5 first. That would cancel out. Multiply by 5. So 1.5 times 5 is 7.5 equals 3.5 plus some number. And then we're going to subtract 3.5 minus 3.5. And that'll give us 4.0. So X is 4 miles. So you need to run 4 miles on Friday in order to have the mean of 1.5 for the week. I hope this video helped you understand multi-step equations. Have a great day.